Hello there, welcome back. Welcome back to the Technology Innovation Hub. So it's going to be the third session on installing Grid Infra Standalone from Oracle portal. So let me share my screen. Okay, in the last session, we just clean it off our this where something that I have already attached, right? So I was working with this VM, right, with the VM that we are having the 12.219.3 installed for hosting both the databases 12 and 90. So I'm not going to work grid in that VM. So I'm going to use a new VM for separate VM for grid infrastructure installation because this one already having databases, right? So I need the first grid install first, then the database. So therefore I'll be using this VM. So that's okay. No change for you. You can do it in the same one VM, right? Because I'm guiding the practical as of we are doing in the same VM, just for you to because you see the video, I'm switching the VM. So that's why if some doubt comes, that's why I'm telling this. And other than that, there is no change for you. You can do it in one VM, no issues, right? Okay, so let's add the storage here now. I removed it off earlier, right? Okay, we can, my VM is down. Okay, right, you can see there is no extra uh, this here, only the VDI for the original guest. I have 48 GB allocated for that. Earlier, this one had 78 GB. That is because we are having two databases running there, right? And we have to do more practicals there. Okay, so let's click storage and let me again the VDI is in on SATA. So select SATA, right? You can see the mistake. What's the mistake? Why it's not enabling? This is saved. You can't do like that because you need to shut it down, right? Let's yeah, I think there is no way to shut it down here because start. We have to start it, right? Yeah, let's start it and we need to shut it down, right? So this start, I don't need it that much time, right? Okay. Right. In the meantime, we have the guide. I think let it start, right? Till it starts, we can go forward guide, right? So guide is here. Yeah. It's okay. It's not that. Right? So this is the guide that we have been following. So we are here now, right? So we are doing this step. We demonstrated the deletion, right? So now we have to do actual this addition and next partitioning if this minus cell, right? So let's do it once it is started. 27, 25, 20 seconds. So let it start quickly and we'll shut it down. Otherwise, in saving mode, you can't add the storage, right? While it's saving. I should have kept it shut down, but you are learning something from it. That's why I'm doing that, right? You can put your comments in the chat in the video, what your feedback, whether you are learning well or whether do I need to do any enhancements, any explanations further. So you can add in the comments, right? So yeah, it has to be productive what you are doing, right? Okay, so let me shut it down. So right, I think this one is already saved, right? That's okay. This is already saved. I don't think we made any change. So this is because the all right. So let me save it. because it's in error to save it in the shared disk, right? So let's save it locally, right? So this is on the shared base. It gives some problem there. Let me save it under local as root. No, right? So let's go to root and see. Let me check the root and desktop. Let's say they are three fine, right? Okay. Or let's shut it down, right? What anything to save? Before shutting down. This one is okay. This is where we loaded our driver. That's fine. Oh, there's nothing to save, right? So we have already there. Okay, let's shut it down. Right? Because once I shut down, everything goes off. No, so Firefox is restorable. You can restore Firefox. That's fine, but not others, like documents and all. Okay, right. Now it is down. So now we should be able to click storage, right? Okay, go to SATA. Now we can nicely add, right? So adding a new one, new disk, right? Add. So this is first time I'm doing with demonstration. You can watch carefully how to add a new disk, right? Is it adding? Create, not add, right? Add means adding a system one or trying to create a new disk, right? Click create, right? So VDI, right? Dynamically. So let's keep how much? 15 is enough. 15, okay, 15 is fine. Create it, right? So, and now we have that disk created here, 15, right? So 15 GB disk is created. So it's going to with scan. So let's choose it, right? So this is our original one, which is a bootable image is here, 48. This is the new row disk we added 15, 8 GB. That's fine, right? So let's click OK here. So we have no issues, right? And now you can see both disks are available, 48 and 15 GB, right? So now let's start the virtual box, right? So once it's started, yeah, now it's starting from this first. Now it's not restoring. So let it start, right? So once it's started, we can go and we can go to fdisk and we can add the new partitions, and after that we can make it available for ASA, right? Right, so that is what we had. We had to go for fdisk L, right? So that is to list it. So let's see what's happening now, because now we had a new disk, whether it's detecting that or not. Now we can see the original fdisk L will give only STA, right? So that's why I have given this output, right? But since we have added the new row disk, once it's added, as you can see above, yeah, STB. Now this is visible after adding only, right? STB is visible after adding the new row disk. If you just type FT cell, what you see only this STA part, right? Here is 16.5 GB. It's okay. We added 15.8, whatever, it doesn't matter. But keep minimum 15 GB because we need at least 5 GB. At least 5 GB ASM disk because we have to create the database as well, right? So make sure at least we need three of them, right? 5 GB, one for CRS, one for data, one for flash recovery, FRA, right? Right, DevSTG, okay. Yeah, here we go. We go for root. Mhm. Other mistake. We go for root. I did a password mistake. Root, right? Okay. I'm sharing this guide on GitHub, right? Yeah, here we have the guide. Okay, let's open a terminal. Make it a little larger for you, right? So now, if you look at Oracle ASM status, should be loaded because we said enable on boot. We said yes. You may remember on the init configuration, we restart. We asked him to automatically load the ASM modules and load the driver as well. So that's why it is loaded. Say yes, right? So right. So there is the document. It is loading. And it's okay. So till the document comes, we can run this, right? So now I can do something like this also. ls dev is dev st asterisk. So let's check this one. Yeah, now you can see STA is the original set of this, right? And I have this STB, newly added one, STB, right? Okay. So we can just type again fps and fps also we can clarify, confirm that one fps minus L is give the same output. You can see STB is available, right? STA is there and we have STB as well. Okay, right. So now what we have to do, we have to say fps dev SDB, not day. A has nothing to do. The new DC is SDB, right? So let's clear the partitions. The new partitions, say minus n new. It's a primary, yes, primary, and press enter. No change there. Default one, no change there. And here you have to say plus 5G. Right? Okay, first one is created, and I need another one in. You can PNC, right? Print, you can see STB1 is created with 5 GB, and I need another one. And yes, part default is 2, that's the second partition. And that is okay. And this one, I need plus 5 GB. So second one also 5 GB, right? And again, I have enough P, so I have 2 STB and N, and yes, third partition. Enter. This one also press enter, it will allocate whatever the remaining, right? If you print now, you can see 3 partitions. For the last one, I have 6 GB. That's fine, right? That we can take it as our FRO. That's fine. That's okay. Right? So update W. So that's fine. So now if you type fdcell, you will see the new partitions created. You can see SDAs are there, and you can see STBs also there. Right? Okay, now we are ready. So we have the this. Now we can attach to ASM, right? So let's verify with the guide because guide has to go in line with the practical. No, it's not open. Something has gone wrong, looks like that. But I saved it properly, no, only. Anyway, so till we get it from here. We have it here, right? A copy is available here. Let's check it. Yeah. Let's see here. Okay, this one, right of time. So Oracle portal and 12.2 grid complete. Let's take it from here, no problem. Both sides are same. So we have now, yes, we have created a list and we know how to delete and all those things also given. I earlier is show that how to delete, and these things are done now. And this is the optional step. So deleting partition, I explained this one. And this is the document I checked. I told you earlier that I have included in the document, right? So that's fine. Now you know how to delete as well. That's okay. And step 9, now what you can do, create separate ASM disk for each partition, right? So let's create Oracle ASM. We'll create separate ASM disk for each row partition, right? So that can be done, right? So let's do it. First one is going to be the CRS one. For cluster ready services, we'll allocate HDB1. Done. And the second one is going to be 2, and that is for, let's use it for data 1. Data 1, right? That's fine. That is for our data, database files. E, that is done. Then 3, host array, traffic array, array. Okay, array 1. That's okay. Either one. Okay, we are done. Right. So now, if you say Oracle ASM list this, you should have the disk now. List EISCS, right? Here we go. We have the disk, right? So yes. So that is done. Document also explaining it nicely. Again, optional means I have given you certain extra commands to work with ASM, right? For you to get familiar in case if you require. So even deleting this, we did these things. Just previously I explained this one in the previous session. Listing, deleting, you can see those things. And if you want to get at where the actual device, block device located, they will Oracle ASM. We saw that one earlier as well. Right? Okay, fine. B is for block device. This B that you know, that you ought to know, right? Okay, so we are done there. So that is done. After that place, so the next step is now we are ready for the installation. Now we are ready for the Grid Infra installation. So that will be done on the next session, right? All right. If you like the video, you can put a subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Right. Bye bye.